Listen, speak, read, write. This is a read-along video. As you read along, a green dot will appear at times to let you know where we are in the text. A sound effect lets you know we've moved on to a new screen or page in the text. Let's begin. The Star-Spangled Banner. Verse 1. Oh, say, can you see, by the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. And the rockets' red glare, their bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. Verse 2. On the shore dimly seen through the mist of the deep, where the foe's haughty host in dread silence reposes, what is it that which the breeze or the towering steep, as fitfully blows, half conceals, half discloses? Now it catches the gleam of the morning's first beam, in full glory reflected, now shines in the stream. 'Tis a star-spangled banner, oh long may it wave, o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. Verse 3. And where is that band who so vauntingly swore that the havoc of war and the battle's confusion, a home and a country shall leave us no more? Their blood has washed out their foul footsteps' pollution. No refuge could save the hireling and slave from the terror of flight or the gloom of the grave. And the star-spangled banner in triumph does wave, or the land of the free and the home of the brave. Verse 4. Oh, thus it be ever when freemen shall stand between their loved home and war's desolation. Blessed with victory and peace, may the heaven's rescued land praise the power that have made and preserved us a nation. Then conquer we must, when our cause is just, and this be our motto, and God is our trust. And the star-spangled banner in triumph shall wave, o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. Thanks for watching.